Hello my friends, this is April with Health for Life Cooking, and today I wanted to introduce you to one of my favorite breakfast foods, and that is sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes for breakfast, and years ago I loved green smoothies for breakfast, but when I developed some food sensitivities, I had to ditch the green smoothies and find something else that would satisfy my desire for something sweet for breakfast, and sweet potatoes totally do the trick. I totally love them. They give me lots of energy. They're super easy and they're loaded with vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and phytochemicals. In fact, a pound of sweet potatoes, a pound of cooked sweet potatoes, contain 4 times the recommended amount of beta carotene. And beta carotene converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A in foods decreases risk of cancer. Vitamin A in supplements increase risk of certain types of cancers according to research. You want to get your nutrients from food, okay, from whole foods. And I can eat these just the way they are, but I'm going to show you today how I spice them up to make them super good and taste like pumpkin pie. So let's get started. So what I've got here are 3 different types of sweet potatoes. These are what they call the jewel yams. These are garnet, and this is just a regular white sweet potato. Actually, it's a Jersey sweet, which are super sweet and super good. I like these for dessert, actually. But today I'm going to be using the jewel yams, and I've got one right here that I cooked yesterday. These others that I cooked this morning. And what I do is I pull off the tip. I cut off the tip of these because right here in the tip is where a lot of the sweet is. And I like to just pop one of these in my mouth and it's just so good. So I'm going to cut this ends off of that one and put these in a bowl. And sometimes when the skin's a little bit dark, I'll pull off the skin and cut it off, but these are looking pretty good. Sometimes they're a little bit tough too. And then I'm just going to mash them up a little bit and add 1 heaping teaspoon of cinnamon, because I love cinnamon, and then a 1/4 teaspoon, kind of a heaping 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and then about a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is a really fun and tasty spice. That there, and I just mash this all together, and I kid you not, this tastes like pumpkin pie. And once I get it all mashed, if I have time before I need to eat breakfast, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool. And that increases the resistant starch in the potato, and that resistant starch is really good for feeding your gut. The more resistant starch in the food, the happier those little microbes are. In fact, your grains, when you cook your grains, if you eat them cooled, they have more resistant starch and are better. And that is it. So simple. So I not only love sweet potatoes for breakfast, but I will also have them as a snack. I love them for dessert. They are just all around good any time of the day, except I can't eat them too late at night because they will keep me up. They just give me so much energy. It's crazy. So I hope you like this idea and want to incorporate it into your breakfast routine. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you know anyone who's interested in gaining optimal health through plant-based nutrition, please share it. Until next time, this is April with Health for Life Cooking, wishing you the very best of health for the rest of your life.